KashKick offers can change regularly, so the best way to find the highest value opportunities is to compare the available offers inside your account and focus on the ones that match your time and requirements. By the end, you'll know how to find better KashKick offers, what to check before starting an offer, and how to avoid wasting time on tasks that are not a good fit. The first step is opening your KashKick account and reviewing the current offer list. Available tasks can vary by user, location, and account activity, so the offers shown on your screen may not be the same as someone else. Before starting any offer, read the full requirements. Check what actions you need to complete, any deadlines involved, and the conditions required for the reward to be counted. Completing only part of an offer may not qualify if the required steps are not finished. A good way to choose offers is comparing the time required with the reward shown. An offer that looks simple but takes many steps may not be the best use of your time. Focus on tasks where the requirements are clear and realistic for your schedule. Another step is checking the offer details before clicking through. Some offers may require you to use a specific link, create a new account, or complete actions in a certain order. Following the instructions exactly can help prevent tracking issues. If an offer does not credit correctly, keep records of what happened. Save confirmation emails, screenshots, and details about when you completed the required steps. This information can help if you need to contact KashKick support. You should also check your account regularly because available offers can change. New tasks may appear while older offers may no longer be available. Avoid choosing offers only because they have a higher reward. A larger reward with complicated requirements may take more effort than a smaller offer that you can complete successfully. The best approach is reviewing the offer details, choosing tasks that fit your schedule, and following every requirement carefully. This helps you spend your time on offers that have a clearer path to completion. To summarize, check your current KashKick offers, read the requirements before starting, and keep proof of completed steps. Your next step is to open your KashKick account and compare the available offers before choosing your next task. If this guide helped you find better KashKick offers, subscribe for more app guides, earning platform tips, and troubleshooting videos.